Unemployment Alliance scheme for graduate and 12th pass youth in Bihar. The government of Bihar has introduced an unemployment alliance scheme to support educated yet jobless youth across the state. Under this initiative, monthly financial assistance is provided for graduates and 12th pass candidates who are currently unemployed. The program aims to offer temporary financial relief and encourage young people to pursue skill training, self employment, and job opportunity instead of leaving the state in search of work. The Unemployment Alliances program is a key part of Bihar's Sat Nishay Yojana 7 Resolve program launched by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. Initially has the scheme known as Mukhyamantri Nishay Swayam Sachyata Bhatta Yojana was meant for youth who had completely their intermediate education with were not employed or studying further. In 2025, the government extended the benefit to graduate age 20 to 25-year-old who are in neither pursuing higher studies nor working in any public and private sector job. The main goal of this extension is to reduce the burden of unemployment, promote skill development, and help educated youth prepare for competitive exam or professional careers. The key feature of scheme: monthly assistance. Eligible candidate receive 1,000 per month for up to 2 years. Eligibility: must be a permanent resident of Bihar, age between 20 and 25 years for graduates, completed graduation in arts, science and commerce from recognized institution, not pursuing any higher education, not employed in government, private or self-employment sector. For 12th pass candidates, age limit between 21 and 35 years, must have passed the intermediate examination and remain unemployed. Application process: applications are submitted online through the official youth mission portal 7 NISCHAY-Yuva PMISSION.bihar.gov.in. Beneficiaries must have an Aadhaar linked bank account for direct transfer of funds. Expected impact: the alliances act as a temporary support system for educated unemployed youth. It gives them time and financial stability to prepare for government exam, develop technical skill and engage in entrepreneurship program. The scheme also aims to reduce distress migration by helping youth remain in Bihar while seeking an employment opportunity locally. Additionally, the initiative supports the state's largest target of creating 1 crore employment opportunity within the next few years as a part of Bihar's youth empowerment agenda. While the scheme is well intentioned, there are several implementation challenges. Reports have shown cases of fake application and delayed payment due to verification issue. The assistance amount of 1,000 per month through helpful are modest and insufficient to cover living or study expenses. Another limitation is the lack of effective integration with job placement or skill training program, which could make the scheme more result oriented.